Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Effects of population growth. Low per capita income. Even though national income increases in money terms, the per capita income increases at a low rate due to increase in population. The advantage of high economic growth are neutralized by rapid income in population growth, rapid increase in population growth. So the standard of living of a country reduces with the growth of population. Every country should try to increase per capita income for its economic development. Food shortage. In spite of income in total production of food grains, the per capita domestic availability of food grains rise only marginally. Excessive population growth creates food shortage problem. Demand for food increases, available food production system cannot meet the food requirement. Per capita availability of cultivable area comes down gradually, so a falling land-man ratio has to be compensated by increase in productivity per acre. Dependency load. With a rapid growth in population, the ratio of children and old persons of total population tends to rise. This leads to the problem of unproductive consumers, bringing additional pressure on the resources of each family and also on public utility services like food, education, health, etc. Higher dependence of unproductive consumers on food, education and health, called as dependency load, generates the vicious circle of population, poverty and underdevelopment. Unemployment. Increase in population creates the problem of unemployment and underemployment. In spite of increase in employment opportunities, higher growth rate of population has rendered about 10% of the labor force unemployed. Capital formation. Generally, a part of capital formation investment goes on maintaining the existing standard of living for the additional population. Substantial capital investment is required to maintain and improve the standard of living of people. High population consumes all the production and little is left for investing in formation of capital goods. Ecological degradation. Due to rapid increase in population in India, there is a gradual shrinkage of area covered by forests and open land, thereby causing ecological imbalances. Ecological imbalance affects human health considerably. Denudation of forests lead to soil erosion and floods, which have adverse harmful effect on food production. Deforestation has an extremely harmful effect on human lifespan because it increases the quantity of carbon dioxide in the air, causing health hazards. Removal of forests led to unfavorable climate changes, prolonged droughts, global warming, etc. Increased burden of ecological land leads to depletion of natural soil fertility, increase in alkalinity and salinity of soils. High concentration of population in urban areas coupled with insufficient infrastructural facilities, drinking water, sanitation, transportation, housing are caused by population growth. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.